Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Happy Independence Day to all of our viewers out there. Thank you for joining us on this Friday morning. We can already see some cooler air entering western Montana. We're only going to have highs in the 60s and 70s in the western half of the state today. Still quite warm in eastern Montana, still holding on to the upper 60s out there in Glendive. Not a whole lot going on the radar right now, but you see some showers starting to enter the Bitterroots and southwest Montana. A couple thunderstorms down there near Hamilton as well. We will see some thunderstorms more widespread this afternoon. We do have a severe weather threat today, mainly south of Helena, just for some gusty wind and some very small hail as these storms move from south to north. So let's track out your day. Let's see when you're going to want to be outside for Independence Day activities. This is around 12:30. We will have some thunderstorms approaching Butte, Bozeman. Helena still in the clear, so if you're heading out to Centennial Park, maybe to watch the DNRC helicopter bring in the big flag, you will be okay. But by around 3 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see a round of heavy thunderstorms come through the Helena area. A little bit later in Great Falls, Lewistown, this is around 5, 6 o'clock. See a center of low pressure starting to enter. But the good news is, after this secondary round of storms, this is around 7:30 in Helena, we start to clear out just a little bit, and that might fare well for those fireworks shows later on this evening. Not in north central Montana, though. We will have showers and thunderstorms lasting throughout the night and into tomorrow. And look at this line of thunderstorms. Very impressive that forms out into eastern Montana. Very strong thunderstorms possible. We have another severe threat as that center of low pivots its way on eastward. A slight risk, level 2 out of 5, from Havre, Lewistown, Billings out east, where we could even see some isolated tornadoes with some of those supercells that form. A lot of rain possible for a good amount of the states. Could be looking at upwards of an inch of rain in some locations through Friday and Saturday. Here's the forecast for today. A lot of us in the 60s and 70s into western Montana, 80s out into eastern Montana. Going to be a much nicer day out there. Here's the next 7 days for Helena, 70s for the beginning of the weekend, but we do start to warm up into next week. How about the mid to upper 90s by Tuesday and Wednesday?